After listening to this meditation, they will fall in love with you. Please use with caution. This meditation is very powerful. While listening, visualize who you'd like to fall in love with you. See them from your eyes as they look upon you with open and powerful desire. And see yourself from their eyes and feel the overwhelming love and desire. You should only listen to this at most 3 times a day. Now let's begin. I can make anyone fall in love with me. They fall in love with my thoughts. They fall in love with my desires. They fall in love with my intentions. They fall in love with my suggestions. I can make anybody fall in love with me. I have irresistible love power. I have irresistible attraction. They come back to me easily. They have a massive desire for me. They are magnetized to me. They are magnetized to my thoughts. They are magnetized to my energy. They cannot resist my power. They cannot resist my love force. They cannot resist my love energy. They willingly fall under my spell. They willingly obey my desires. They willingly beg to love me. They willingly beg to adore me. They willingly beg to be with me. It is already done. Type, they willingly beg to love me to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.